Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another session of Ancient History Discussion. This is just an extra video apart from the chapters we have done. This I wanted to give you the difference between IVC and Vedic civilization, which I think would cover up many queries regarding these two chapters. So, without wasting any further time, let's move on to the first, second, third differences of IVC and Vedic civilization. As you can see from the screen, it's showing that IVC was urban and centered around cities. And as per Vedic civilization or Aryan culture, was rural and centered around villages. IVC was complex. Their people made progress in industrial arts and developed sound economic organization. Whereas Vedic culture was simple and essentially agricultural. Third difference, Indus people were great traders and took part in overseas trade. As we have seen, they used to trade with Mesopotamian people, and Mesopotamian people used to call them Meluha, which is one of the most important questions that might appear in your question paper in any exams, especially WBCS, SSC, CGL, Railway. Okay, and the third difference of Vedic civilization is Aryans disliked trade and probably did not know the sea. Now, moving on to the fourth difference of Indus Valley civilization and Vedic civilization. Fourth point states that Indus people worship the bull, whereas Aryans worship the cow. Indus people had developed the art of writing, which is known as Boustrophedon. As you know, that Boustrophedon is a type of writing that one line starts from right to left and the other starts from left to right, and this way it carries on. Whereas Aryans had no writing. And the last point of this difference, Indus people were lovers of peace. They were peace loving people and used only defensive weapons. Whereas Aryans were warriors and used long sword and other offensive weapons. This is six differences which I have written for my mains exam because I have taken optional history and I wanted to share because today was going an off day, and from tomorrow I will be giving another video of the Maurya, post Maurya, and etc. etc. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe AJ Classes. Thank you for your support.